I know you're concerned. I'm concerned too. Every time I try to talk to Robin about restoration, all we wind up doing is fighting. There are people that do restoration. I buy, sell, and trade cars. They can't do what I do, and I really can't do what they do. Robin and I don't agree on the definition of restoration. So unfortunately, you're out of luck. Forget about it, I'm sorry. You're done.
Hi, welcome.
Hey,
South Beach Classics.
Nice to meet you, Robin.
Thank you for visiting.
Yeah, we came down yesterday to South Beach and we passed by here. And so I'm in the car, so I had to stop by here and see what was going on. Yeah, I know you guys really like the restoration, but you were doing a restoration project.
I love you.
On a 60 Impala. Okay, we won't say that.
Restoration, we can't tell 10.
We won't tell her.
You
We
know,
keep
right?
between me and you. And I have a 60 Impala that I restored. So
A 60 Impala, what?
Impala convertible.
Convertible. That's not like the two-door hardtop that I
No,
did.
no.
No. You're in a different realm, my friend.
But it's 60, so we all right.
Very cool.
Yes.
All right, thank you, my friend. There's 325 outside. Bring your friends outside. You have fun. Make yourself at home. Take pictures.
I sure
The
will.
pleasure is all mine, sincerely, and you know that.
Thank you for allowing me to
Thank
be
you
here.
very much.
All right.
Bye.
Okay.
Marcus, come here.
Yes, Ted.
What's going on, bro?
Not much.
Is Robin doing the so-called restorations again?
I don't want to get involved in this anymore.
You're not involved. I
you
won't
say
mention your
that,
name.
then I want
What's
to get in
going
trouble
on?
and get yelled at again.
Stop it.
I don't want to be involved in this.
Good. What's going on, bro?
Yeah, she's doing cars.
Does she understand that restoring a car and patching and doing little things is not restoration? That it's a whole different ballgame?
Ted, she's doing cars. There's nothing I can do about it. I just don't want to get involved in this, period. Ted likes getting me in the middle of all this stuff about the restoration between him and Robin. He doesn't like it. That's what she likes to do. I don't think we have the equipment to do them properly. You know, some things we can do, other things we can't do. Simple fixes is okay, but sometimes we take it to an extreme.
My version of restoration is to take a car apart and have the ability and the knowledge to build it again, and the equipment to build it with. I don't have any of that. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a body man. My wife is not a mechanic or a body man. She's a beautiful lady who got in the car business because she was stuck with me. This is not what we do. I make a living with my brain, not with my hands. I'm popping cars and moving cars and not getting dirty. Clint Eastwood said, man's got to know his limitations. I don't do restoration. I don't restore. I don't know how. I don't have to. I'm the best at what I do. I'm happy with what I do.
Hi, Saeed. How are you doing? Saeed, you got to give me some time to get all the cars done. As you get into restoration, you know, from the running boards on, I've had to recreate them. They were originally out of wood. I went above and beyond what you wanted me to do on the last two, including redoing all the interior. All right, no problem. I'll have Hakan pick them up Friday. Yes, Saeed, you have my word. Ted says we don't do restoration, but he just charged $30,000 to Saeed for something.
The cars that my wife restored are Band-Aids. You're making a car look better. It's not restoring. It's putting paint on, doing an interior that's really not correct. It's just making it look better. I don't think that's restoring.
Restoration is there's different levels of it. If you're fixing something, repairing it, it's somewhat of a restoration. They're old cars. They all need something. Yeah, some people come in and they'll buy a car that needs restoration. Others come in and say, Robin, you know what? Give me power steering, power brakes, and touch up the hood for me. That's restoration. I don't know how you slice or dice it is restoration.